Hello guys, welcome to Generation Unravel, and in this video I'll be showing you how to add your very own chatbot to your Shopify website. It's actually a pretty easy thing. Just click on the search bar over here, click on apps, and let's just search up chatbot, and it will immediately send us to the Shopify app store where we'll find all the apps connected to chatbots, and we'll just hover down here to Tidio live chat and AI robots because this is the best I have found so far in the app store. As you can see, let's just check those pictures over here. Oh wow, as you can see, the user interface is also so nice. The design, it's slick for me. Now all we need to do is just click on this view demo store to see how it would look like if it was on our own website. This is the demo store, and as you can see here on the bottom right side of the screen, this is an example of how the chatbot will look like. But now we can't wait to put it on our own, so let's just click on install and just follow all the instructions as we will find it now. Okay, let's just click on install app. Alright, now it's installing. Now we need to wait, and now we need to log in to Tidio, of course, and configure our live chat. So let's just name our Tidio Raggy because our company name is Rags and Lags, something like that. You can also configure its avatar, but I don't want to change it right now. Let's choose what our focus will be and what the purpose of Raggy has for a store. Of course, this is an online store. For now, we're just getting started. Let's put in 0. We don't have support agents right now. Let's just put in 0 as well, or whatever you will put there. It's up to you. Just continue, and now let's just go with greeting them warmly. It would seem more natural, right, compared to sending them a discount code. Continue. And next, what we'll have is to set our password. Just make sure that this is secure. We don't want anyone just breaching Tidio, right? Alright, now what we'll be doing is to allow Tidio chat widget on our website, and as you can see, it's already on. And we're very curious what Tidio has for our store now here. Let's just head over now to our store, and we can't wait to see Tidio. As the widget has already been enabled, Tidio should be working well, and you should have your very own chatbot on your website. So let's see. Okay, now I'm gonna be viewing my online store. As you can see, this is Rags and Tags, an example of an online store that I made. And as you can see on the bottom right corner of the screen, Tidio is there saying hi. And as you can see, that is how you can add a chatbot to your Shopify website. I hope this video helped you. This was Generation Unravel saying bye bye and good luck with your ventures. See you next time.